Today we're doing a video about how to make a great cup of sweet iced tea, but in the microwave. Like if you don't have a teapot to make it in or one of those. So you want to put water into the microwave for about 1 minute. And then you want to get your tea packet. It goes hot or ice, so it doesn't really matter. The time is almost up, so it's probably about like 44 seconds. Oh, that's close. Countdown. Okay, so you are going to need to heat up this cup too. Or if you're doing 2 cups, you can heat them up at the same time. I forgot about this cup though. So we'll do that one later. So you want this. And what is inside of that is the time is probably almost up right now. So let's get over there. And it's ready. Be careful. This is going to be very hot. So it's very hot. Hi. Anyways, that was my dog. So you want to put your, what am I doing? I'm going to put that in there. And right now it is very hot, so you want to just leave the packet in there to get all the flavor out. It may start to turn white, but that is just how the tea is. So I'll give it a couple more seconds. So, yeah. You have an empty tea bag. So you want to put it into that cup. And then you're going to put some ice cubes in. Alright, here. I'll get some in my hand. Oh! You want to leave those in for a couple seconds. Keep adding more ice. And then you want to get your sugar. So, after you have your sugar, you're going to need to have your sugar. And then we're going to come over here, go into the silverware drawer, grab a spoon. So, I'm moving the camera that way. I need you to move. Come over here. So, after you have got your tea,
oh, son, you got one little piece left. Here.
go take a bite. You want to add your sugar. Whoa. Add as much sugar as you want. course, not too much. Okay, so about that much sugar should be good. And mix it around. And then you want to add more ice if it's not cold yet. And remember, the ice will take away the extra sugar, so yeah. Hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.